Hello everyone, Mary and Pierre-Louis here with another Facebook tip. Today we are going to be talking about Facebook image selection. They changed this at some point in the last year, and for those of you who don't pay much attention to this, you might not have realized what is going on and you're probably just hitting enter. So let's start with a blog post, and we're going to take one that has multiple images so that we can make the most of this example. So this is an old post I did. It's got a bunch of pictures of the Fairbanks house in Dedham, Massachusetts. So let's go back to Facebook, to the Marion's House photography page. This is just my little Facebook playground for showing you examples. And we'll write a little text here, and then we'll put our link, and let's see what happens. Okay, so this is the way things appear now on Facebook. You get this kind of carousel feature. So all of the images get pulled in. So you see this image here, and then you see another one, and you can hit the arrow and see that, hit the arrow, and you can arrow through all of these pictures. So what are you going to do? If you hit enter right here, if you hit that publish button, it's going to show all of these images as a kind of carousel for your audience. And you don't really want to do that because it's not, well, in some cases you might, but most of the time you won't. And most of the time, hopefully, you'll have one main feature blog image that has some overlay text that is promoting the blog post for you. This is an old post, so it doesn't have any overlay text, but it's still a good example because it's got so many different images. So one way that you can choose an image is you can go to, you can't really see it here, but there's an X up there, and you can, let's see, well, actually that, do I want that one? That one? All right, let's go with that one. So I'm going to get rid of this one, and I'm going to hit that X. All right, and that has gotten rid of that image. And oops, I don't want that one either, so let me hit the X. So that's one way that you can get rid of the images. Now this is an image I have in my sidebar. I definitely don't want that to be my main feature image. So here's another way, because there's two ways that you can get rid of the images and just select the one that you want. You can go down here, see how they're highlighted in blue? And it says 1, 2, 3. These are the ones that are visible right now. If I click on that little image right there, it deselects the image. So now that's no longer an option. Then we have this image. It's also in my sidebar, and I don't really want to use that one either. I want to just focus on that one image of the house. So I'm going to click on that, and right now all I have is that one image. So we've taken it from 5 images and we've reduced it down to 1. I'm just going to delete that to make it a little cleaner. Let's publish it and see what we get. All right, in this particular case, we have a smaller image, so it's not giving us the effect like this, where it will fill up the whole news feed and then put the text beneath, because this is an older post, and I wasn't optimizing images way back in 2012. There you go. There is image selection for Facebook. I hope this was helpful to you, and stay tuned for another tip in the future. Bye.